Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Nexo especially is exchanging at 70 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.36% in truly most recent 1 hour in an especially large manner. Nexo sort of has an all-out market cap of $390,922,905 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,816,427 in an especially significant manner. This for the most part makes Nexo really positioning at 101 in the digital money market, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Nexo basically be somewhat worth in 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Is Nexo a generally excellent venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which in a real sense is very huge? Will Nexo cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, which generally is genuinely huge? These are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which generally is very huge. As per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Nexo cost in every way that really matters is supposed to cross a very normal value level of 90 cents. The normal by and large least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to be 87 cents, which essentially is very critical. Besides, Nexo can sort of arrive at an all things considered most extreme value level of $1.07 in a very significant manner. Nexo value expectation April 2023. The cost for Nexo in April 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 66 cents and 75 cents, while the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around 73 cents in a for the most part significant manner. Nexo value estimate May 2023. Concerning May 2023, Nexo in a real sense is supposed to truly arrive at least value worth of 72 cents. The Nexo cost could by and large arrive at a very greatest cost of 79 cents with the really normal cost around 75 cents, which is genuinely critical. Nexo value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023 the cost of Nexo generally is gauged to in a real sense be at around a sort of least worth of 74 cents, showing that while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around 73 cents in an unobtrusive manner, the Nexo value worth can in a real sense arrive at a limit of 83 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 76 cents in USD. Nexo value gauge July 2023. For July 2023 the cost of Nexo fundamentally is anticipated to generally arrive at an extremely normal cost of 79 cents while the coin could exchange between a very limit of 87 cents and a kind of least of 76 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value gauge August 2023. The normal cost of Nexo could for the most part go to 80 cents toward August 2023 in a kind of significant manners in. Nexo could truly be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of 91 cents with the base expected cost of 77 cents. Nexo value forecast September 2023. The cost of Nexo by and large is anticipated to truly reach at an especially least worth of 80 cents in September 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. The Nexo cost could in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of 94 cents with the by and large normal exchanging worth of 83 cents all through 2023 in a sort of enormous manner. Nexo value figure October 2023. In October 2023 the cost of Nexo truly is supposed to in a real sense be at around an essentially least of 82 cents, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo cost can arrive at a kind of limit of 98 cents with the genuinely normal cost of 86 cents in USD, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Nexo value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023 the cost of Nexo by and large is gauged to sort of be at around a genuinely least worth of 86 cents, showing that Nexo value gauge June 2023. In June 2023 the cost of Nexo for the most part is determined to especially be at around an especially least worth of 74 cents, exhibiting that while the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around 73 cents, which by and large is genuinely huge, the Nexo value worth can arrive at a sort of limit of $1.02 with the very normal exchanging worth of 88 cents in USD, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nexo value figure December 2023. The normal cost of Nexo could in a real sense go to 90 cents toward the finish of December 2023, which by and large is very huge. Nexo could explicitly be exchanging around a greatest worth of $1.07 with the for the most part least expected cost of 87 cents, which basically is genuinely huge. Nexo in every way that really matters. Past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost fundamentally has shown a by and large great increment of 1.15% in the essentially most recent 24 hours, or so they generally thought. Nexo really is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins, showing how Nexo value expectation April 2023. The cost for Nexo in April 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 66 cents and 75 cents, or so they thought. The Nexo is down to nearly 0.05% in the essentially most recent 7 days, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The coin certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for especially past kind of couple of days. The coin could truly have serious areas of strength for commonly in any case. We don't essentially believe that it would a productive resource and momentary in an unpretentious manner. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo basically diminished by 0.743%, disposing of an incredible in every practical sense, normal amount of $0 its really current worth, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a great especially purchase a potential open door for exceptionally speedy venture, or so they most certainly thought. The 90 days cost change especially is around 10.75%, and the cost certainly circled from an essentially least fundamentally normal cost of 62 cents to in every way that really matters. Greatest by and large normal cost of 63 cents in the beyond 90 days, which is very huge. In especially most recent 4 months Nexo in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern. So Nexo could generally be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $1.07 with the base expected cost of 87 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Subsequently, we essentially imagine that comparable pieces of the market really were very famous at that period, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking, as indicated by the sort of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Nexo generally is expanded from 4 months, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost in a quite large manner. The coin for the most part is up by 4.37%, with the greatest certainly normal cost of the coin basically was around 68 cents and the truly least truly normal value of was around 64 cents in fundamentally beyond 4 months, which really is genuinely critical. What will be Nexo especially worth in 2023? The Nexo cost by and large is estimated to for the most part arrive at a greatest degree of $1.07 with exceptionally least cost of 87 cents toward the finish of 2023. Essentially further appearance how Nexo value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023 the cost of Nexo in a real sense is determined to be at around an especially least worth of 74 cents, showing that while the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to be around 73 cents, which is very huge, does Nexo most certainly have a future, or so they really thought. As far as value, Nexo explicitly has an extraordinary truly potential to arrive at new levels, which especially shows that besides Nexo can in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $1.07 in a truly significant